Welcome everyone, my name is Nainika. If you are new here, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. It means absolute world for me. So today look is a very gorgeous black gold glitter party eye makeup look. If you want to know how I get this look, please keep on watching. So for priming my face, I use this primer cum setting spray. So I made a video on this. You can get the link in the description box. And then using this Olay night cream, it's very moisturizing. At the same time, it start forming crumbles if you massage it overly. And then I'm using this Wet n Wild photo focus primer, and it's a matte primer because I want a matte look today. And then going for this foundation from Fit Me, I will first dot it all over my face, and then using a finger seam I will spread it, and then using a kabuki brush I will buff it all over my face. Now for concealing my dark circles, I'll be using Color Essence HD foundation stick in the shade Natural Brown and putting all over my eyelid and using the fingers to spread it evenly. And then setting it using this Maybelline White Super Fresh Compact in the shade Shell. Now coming to the eyebrows, I start with the tail and then coming to the front section of the eyebrows, and I always make the arc rounder. You can even make it sharper as you want. And for eyebrow, I don't usually buy another eyebrow product. I just go with the eyeshadow that I have in any eyeshadow palettes and use it to fill my eyebrows. And then I'm combing it with Miss Clear eyebrow pencil, and then using Wet n Wild Mega Clear Gel to set it for the whole day, cause this will make it set for longer time. And then using this Wet n Wild concealer, I will mainly focus on the areas where I have acne and I will let it set for some time. And then coming to the eyes, I will buff this particular shade all over my crease of both the eyes until I get the desired pigmentation. So I am using a windshield wiper motion for buffing into my crease. And then for the cut crease, I am using the brush which I got with the Maybelline the Nudes palette, and first I am creating a boundary slowly by cutting the crease, as you can see. And lastly, I will be joining all this together and doing same with my other eye. Now for the cut crease shade, I am using this Maybelline the Rock Nudes palette. I am using this particular black gold shade, and I am using my fingers to tap it all over my eyelid. It's a very gorgeous black gold shade because it's having a black as a base and gold glitter as a topper. So I am using my fingers and then tapping all everywhere, and then I am blending all the concealer because it's much time that it has rested, and as you can see it has covered all my acne. It's the best way to conceal your any acne. And then I am highlighting my highest points of my face and using the same concealer, and then using a buffing brush I will buff it. So I am first going with the all over my face and lastly under my eyes because I want more coverage over there. Now I am setting my face using that same Super Fresh White Compact. Now I am using this shade from the shade which I use for filling my crease. I will use the same shade and I will blend in my lower lash line. And then using a powder, I will let it set for 5 minutes and then I will dust it off because I want a brighter under eyes. And then drawing a liner. So I am using this Lakme Insta liner. It's a very affordable liner. You can get it in rupees 130 or you can even get it in lower price in sale. Then I am curling my lashes and using this bestest mascara from Maybelline, that is the Hypercurl mascara. It's affordable as well. It make my eyelash look like a fake eyelash. And then using this gold eyeshadow from the Wet n Wild, I will highlight my inner corners and brow bone. And then for the contouring, I'm using this particular brown shade and contouring my nose as well as all my face. So I use a flat shader brush for nose and big brush for my whole face. Now I am using this shade as a blush. So I'm taking excess behind my hands and then putting it all over my cheeks as well as on nose to get a natural look, and then I'm highlighting all over my face which is left using a brush. Now lastly I am going to set it using this Wet n Wild natural finish setting spray, and I will take it excess off with using a beauty blender, and then wearing a earring and my outfit. I'm using this lip gloss from Essence, the bright side of life. I have completed this look. If you enjoyed this look, please subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. And for the hair, I made a video on this. This is the overnight heatless Vichy waves. You can get the video link in the description box. Thank you for watching.